Selling online? Well, congratulations. The taxes have become your best friends. Well, or I should say your worst enemies. Well, the e-commerce business looks pretty easy, but they are just like dating apps, full of surprises. The moment you get your products listed on the online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Blinkit, Zepto, boom, that's where your tax story starts to begin. It writes its own theories. Well, let's have a look at the checklist one by one. Interstate orders. Well, wonderful. Your business is growing pretty well. But do remember, even if it's a 1 rupee item, you need to get your GST registrations done. No excuses, no thresholds, period. TCS and TDS regulations. Well, have you ever wondered why the online marketplaces are paying you out lesser? Well, because they have a provision to deduct 1% TCS under your TAN number. Do get your reconciliations done. It'll be needed at the time of final tax paying. Alright? International business. Wow, that's fancy. But hey, beware. Exports are subject to 0% duties. We all know that. But if your documentations are not right, you will be ending up paying the duties also, along with other GST taxes as well. If you fall under the penalty pitfall, that means if your business is liable for the registrations, you might have missed the first point, for example, then you might end up paying equal amount of the taxes that your business is supposed to pay, or 10,000 rupees plus the interest, whichever is higher, plus the interest and penalty. Welcome. At least I told you, maybe your GST notice would be on your way. E-commerce business is booming, and so are the number of notices. Do get your checklists ready. DM e-commerce alert, and I'll send you the ready checklist for your reference. Stay tuned for any further updates.